Hi Glam Mommies, I'm back. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how I get my contour so perfect. Before we get into that, if you want to see more pictures and updates on products that I review here on YouTube, you can follow me on my social media sites. I have an Instagram, I have a Twitter, I have a Facebook. All those links will be down below. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get into the tutorial. To show you two foundations I used and the concealer. So now we're going to get to the contour. This contour is by e.l.f. It's their new 16-hour camo concealer. I'm going to put it under my cheekbones, on my jawline, and I'm going to blend it. I only did those two spaces so far because this concealer dries so quickly. And you just want to blend that out really good. You want to blend it out really good to where you don't see a line of demarcation at all. Okay. This is a contour brush from Sonia Kashuk. It's a flat contour brush. Excuse me, my nose is stuffy right now. Now for the nose, I'm going to take the concealer and put it at the top of my nose, the bridge, and then at the very bottom. I'm only putting a little bit because this concealer spreads really easily, so a little bit goes a long way. And I don't want to over contour my nose and have too much product and it looks like two doo-doo stains going down my nose. You don't want that, okay? So this brush, I'm just blending and blending, taking my concealer brush and blending it out, also using some of the product that's still on the brush. And I'm just going to repeat in each area that I did and also clean up with the concealer brush just so everything blends more perfectly. Okay, now that we're done with the cream contour portion of this, I'm going to go ahead and set my highlight. I always set my highlight after I do my contour. I did not show you how to do my highlight in this video. If you want a video tutorial on how to highlight, then let me know down in the comments below. After I do my highlight, the most important part with using the setting powder is cutting my contour on my cheek. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the powder on the tip of the brush and just try to draw the straightest line underneath my contour. This actually just cleans it up and makes your contour way more sharp. So now I'm going to take a bronzer that's for my complexion. This is by the Queen Collection from CoverGirl. I'm just going to go over my contour. This is just to warm it up some and to add some warmth to my face. You want to do this especially in the summer. It's really popular to be bronze. And yes, black girls can bronze too. I also bronze my nose and go over my contour there. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscription button down below. Also, don't forget to ring that bell. That way, anytime I upload new content, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching. Bye.